Using a compass and straight edge, construct the line of reflection over which triangle ABC reflects into triangle A'B''C'. Reflection is transformation that uses a line like a mirror to reflect the image. The mirror line is called the line of reflection. To find this line of reflection, what we will do? First, we will connect these two vertices C and C', and we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment C', and this will be our line of reflection. It's enough if you choose C', or B', A'. Only one segment. So first we will connect, for example, C and C', vertices, and now we will draw perpendicular bisector to this segment C'. We have to use the compass. We will place the compass first in the C', and we have to open the compass more than half segment C', and we will draw arc above C', segment and below this segment. And from point C, we will not change the width of our compass, and from point C, vertex C, we will draw this arc. And now we have to connect these 2 points which we got when the arcs cross above our C', segment and below. So this is our perpendicular bisector of segment C', and this is our line of reflection. It's enough if you draw this one perpendicular bisector of segment C'. You can do for segment B', the same, or A'. This for segment B', and A', the perpendicular bisectors must cover this first bisector which we draw for the segment C'.